your bureau proving that they are one and the same person. Alam niyo po, may ilan po na may duda pa sa authenticity ng findings ninyo. Sa interview sa media ng abogado ni Mayor Alice, sabi niya baka kailangan pa daw ng third party verification. Can you make an official report on your findings, Assistant Director?
Unang-unang po sa lahat, mula po sa aming director ay maraming salamat din po sa ating mga senador at sa itong committee na to, Madam Chair, sa pagtitiwala at sa aming ahensya, Madam Chair. Kasama ko po ngayon dito, Madam Chair, ang ating Chief Dactyloscopy upang maipaliwanag niya po ang kanyang ginawa dito sa pag-examine o pagsusuri sa mga fingerprints ng nila Mayora at ng iba pa pong tao. Nandito po si Dr. Kahanding, ang aming hepe po ng dactyloscopy upang ipaliwanag. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Assistant Director. Dr. Kahanding, head ng dactyloscopy unit. Kayo po yung nagsagawa ng scientific examination at matching. Please proceed, sir.
To the honorable members of the committee, good morning to everyone. This morning, we will reveal to you the result of your request for comparison and analysis of fingerprints submitted to your end by the Bureau of Investment to be compared to the fingerprint records in our master files. Before I reveal, I would like to tell you that this identification is a unique identification given to us by the Almighty. Ito po ang identification ng tao by means of skin patterns. Sa tao lang po binigay ng Diyos yan. Yan po ang dermatoglyphics. Science deals with the study of skin patterns. Sa 4 branches po niyan, meron po tayong dactyloscopy sa daliri, chiroscopy sa palad, and podoscopy sa talampakan at ang poroscopy po sa sweat pores. Ngayon, dito po ngayon tayo sa dactyloscopy. Dactyloscopy, it is positive identification po, unique identification, infallible means of identification, meaning to say it is incapable of error, absolute perfect identification. And our result is bounded by the 3 dogmatic principles of fingerprints. We have the principle of constancy or the principle of permanency, meaning to say that fingerprints are immutable, perennial, and individual from the beginning of the 3rd month of the embryonic period until decomposition sets in after death.
Kaya po, Dr. Kahanding, yung fingerprints nung batang o menor de edad na Guo Huaping dun sa application para sa Special Investors Resident Visa nung kanyang ina ay kaya niyong ikumpara dun sa adult fingerprints nung Alice Leal Guo.
Opo.
Okay po.
Kasi hindi po siya magbabago from mula nung pinanganak po tayo hanggang ngayon. Size lang po ang magbabago. Wala pong pagbabago yon. We have also the principle of variation, meaning to say that no 2 prints of different person nor the neighboring fingers of the same person has ever been found to be identical in all respects. Bilyon po ang tao sa mundo, wala po tayong magkatulad na fingerprints, even identical twins, triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets, o kahit ilang pa pong bata ang sabay-sabay pinanganak, wala pa rin pong magkakatulad na fingerprints. Kahit yung isang tao po, sa 10 daliri mo, wala pa rin pong magkakatulad dyan. Kaya yan po ang unique identification natin. And we have also the principle of infallibility, means that man's fingerprint cannot be forged. You can alter your signature, your handwriting, you can forge your handwriting, but you cannot forge your fingerprints. Katunayan po, ang China po, ang isa sa pioneer ng fingerprint identification, yung Emperor Tenzin of China, 246 BC, siya po ang nag-introduce ng fingerprint. Ginagamit po yan in signing of contracts, documents, signature, yan po ang best signature na hindi mapo-forge. Kaya po sa findings namin, we are 100% sure na tama po at tinatanggap po ang findings ng NBI ever since sa lahat po ng court dito po. Okay, I will present to you first. Ma'am,
So sabi niyo, Doctor, ever since tinatanggap ang findings ng NBI
Opo.
sa lahat ng korte, na hindi humihingi ng third party independent investigation yung mga korteng
Opo.
iyon. Salamat po. Please proceed.
Ma'am, ito po yung sinubmit nyo sa amin na galing sa Bureau of Investment. Galing po sa Bureau of Investment. Ito po yung galing na sinubmit nyo po sa amin.
Board of Investments po?
Opo.
Ano po?
Kinumpare po namin sa mga fingerprints ni Alice Lialguo, Sheila Lialguo, and Wesley Lialguo. In comparison and analysis of questioned and standard fingerprints, one print is enough to identify a person. Because in comparison and analysis, we are not only after the fingerprint pattern, but we are after the exact location and position of the characteristics found inside the fingerprint pattern. Yun, kung nakikita niyo po yung mga numbers na yan na clockwise, yan po yung mga characteristics. Kung tatanungin niyo po, how many identical characteristics are required in order to conclude that a question and standard fingerprints belong to one and the same person? Dito po sa Pilipinas, ang ginagamit po natin, 10 identical ridge characteristics. Ang sinusundan po natin, yung People versus Marciano Medina, the first case in the Philippines wherein fingerprint was used as evidence and accepted in court. Apo. Ito po ang
Kailan po yung
photograph
kasong iyon, Doctor?
po.
Kailan po yung kasong iyon ng Mariano
1932
Medina?
po.
So almost 100 years ago.
Opo.
Salamat
Nasa
po.
Philippine reports po siya. Ito po ang enlarged photograph ng fingerprint ni Wesley Go. Ni Wesley po. Wesley Leal Go. Kinumpare po natin. Ito po yung galing sa Board of Investment na pinadala niyo po sa opisina namin. Nag-match po siya dito sa fingerprint namin sa master files. Nakakuha po kami ng 17 identical characteristics. Kaya sigurado po tayo, 7 than 10.
Sorry po. Yes, hindi lamang 10, 17.
Opo.
Tuloy
Dito
po.
po sa fingerprint naman ni Alice Guo, nag-match din po yung isa na sinubmit nyo from the Bureau of Investment. Ito po, yung sinubmit nyo po from Bureau of Investment.
Board of Investment po,
Okay.
Doctor.
At ito po yung kay Alice Lialguo na sa amin pong master files. Nakakuha po kami ng 11 points. Doon naman po sa pagtatanong nyo para ma-confirm po natin ang kanyang identity, meron po kaming enlarged photograph ng fingerprint ni Alice Guo na compare po namin doon sa fingerprint na alien fingerprint card na March 28, 2006 na compare po namin. Nakakuha po kami ng 18 identical ridge characteristics. Kaya sure po tayo ngayon na si Alice Guo po at si Guo Waping ay isang tao lamang po. Si